These cover my pimples really good. Hi guys, I'm Sofia. I'm gonna show you this product from Monet Beauty. It gives me a flawless and glowing skin after application. It's glowing, it is not oily at all. It is well known to be really lightweight, so it doesn't clog my pores at all, even my pimples. It is non-comedogenic. Look at the difference before and after I apply this BB cushion. And it covers well on my dark circle too. It is not grayish at all. It neutralizes my skin tone really well. The shade I'm using now is Natural Beige. If you have a skin tone like me, Natural Beige will suit you really well. I have smooth and flawless skin every day by having this BB cushion. This is my favorite recently. I really love this and it satisfies me a lot.